Hi, I'm Tom Powers, Program Manager here at Carbonite. Today, I'm really excited to show you our brand new hybrid backup solution, simply known as E2. E2 is the ideal all-in-one backup and recovery solution for small businesses who have critical data they need to back up. We've taken the simplicity and ease of setup that you're used to with Carbonite and combined it with EVault's time and volume proven enterprise-grade technology. The end result is a solution that's powerful enough to protect any business with the right data footprint, but simplified in a way that allows the time-starved small business owner to quickly and easily protect their critical data. So instead of me just telling you how great E2 is, how about we show you how it actually works? From start to finish, using E2 to protect your business's data takes 3 simple steps. 1. Unboxing, where you'll plug the device in and let it boot. This is where the appliance will self-configure to the EVault cloud. 2. Installation of your agents and configuration of your backups. And 3. Restoring a file or a whole bare metal image. You can do all of this through the EVault portal, which allows for complete remote management without ever having to be on site. Once you place your order, you will get an email with all the details you need, including EVault portal credentials and your shipping tracking number. In your package, you will find a convenient one-page quick start guide that will walk you through all the steps needed to get you up and running. Before we plug it in, I want to point out E2's small and convenient form factor. It's perfect for small businesses who don't want to have to use rack space or don't have it. Now that we're booted up, this is where one of E2's best features takes over. Right now, E2 is pulling down the latest software and configuring itself to the EVault cloud. There are no manual steps, so setup takes minutes. Now that we're logged in, the first thing you'll need to do is install the E2 software onto the server or servers you want to protect. Once the agent is fully installed on your server, it will appear in the portal as ready to be configured. Then, it's a click of a button to auto-configure it. Your backup will automatically be set up to back up once a day. Upon setup, we will perform a full backup of the system. An incremental backup will then be performed on a daily basis. This means that you'll only ever have to do one full backup. That's it. The cloud status allows you to know where your data is being backed up when. When the local icon is green, you know that the local backup has already been completed, and when the cloud icon is green, you'll know that everything is also backed up in the cloud as well. Before we move on to restore, I want to point out some real simple aspects of our offer that EVault's enterprise-grade technology allows us to have. The E2 offering is priced according to the local size of the system you are backing up. There is no worrying about how much data hits our cloud. If you were backing up to your C drive, for example, just right-click on that drive, look at the size, and that's exactly what you're being charged for. Nothing more, nothing less. Our offering starts at 500 gigabytes and goes up through 1 terabyte. So if you have 1 terabyte or less to protect, E2 is for you. E2 is also configured for annual retention, which means it backs up the last full year of backups. No more adjusting for what you should and shouldn't keep in the cloud. You will always have the last year. So, saving the best for last, now we'll walk through how to easily restore a backup image. Let me set up the scenario for you. We have 3 users in this scenario being impacted. The file server is in Boston, the IT administrator is in Des Moines, and the finance person needing those files is in Ohio. And they've accidentally deleted an entire directory of files. Let's go ahead and accidentally delete those files. Whoop. That's not good, we're gonna need those back. We're in trouble. Or are we? Luckily, we have our IT guy in Des Moines who can remotely restore the accounts payable files onto our server. And there it is. The files our accounts payable team needs are again available to them halfway across the country in Ohio. 3 different locations, all remotely configurable, and not one trip on site needed. That's it. The power of E2, Carbonite's brand new hybrid backup appliance. If you're interested and want to learn more about E2, visit carbonite.com or talk to your channel account manager.